Every innovative product begins with a simple idea.
But how do we turn an idea into a real product?
First, we identify the problem and design a practical solution.
So innovation starts before we even touch the machine.
Now we build the component digitally using CAD software and Autodesk Inventor.
CAD means computer-aided design. Every dimension must be right. Before machining, we must make sure the design can actually be manufactured.
So we check the geometry and dimensions first.
The next step is converting the design into a machining strategy. This is where CAM becomes important. CAM means computer-aided manufacturing.
The CAM software creates the toolpath? Yes, it defines how the cutting tool will move. G-code controls the movement of the CNC machine, including the X, Y, and Z axis. Exactly. M-code controls machine functions such as the turn-on or turn-off spindle rotation and coolant. So both codes work together. Before machining, the program should be verified through simulation. We want to find mistakes before the machine does. The toolpath is too close to the edge. Good catch. Correct it before machining. Now the program is ready for the 3-axis CNC milling machine. The Fanuc Robo Drill. Correct work offset and tool length offset are critical. Because the machine must know exactly where to start. It's machining! Now the program becomes physical movement.
From a digital model, CNC programming has transformed the design into a precision machine component.
We actually made it!
For more complex rotational parts, PBS also provides 4-axis CNC turn milling technology. This turn mill machine combines and milling in one machine.
For intricate profiles, wire EDM uses electrical discharge instead of conventional cutting.
So the wire never needs to physically cut like a normal tool. The EDM die sinker uses electrical discharge to create precise cavities.
Especially where conventional cutting is difficult.
It is exactly within tolerance. Let me check the height. Precision is key. It is done. Excellent.
It started as a CAD model.
Now it is part of our innovation.
Idea, CAD, CAM, programming, simulation, CNC machining, and inspection, all are connected.
Students are not just learning how to operate machines. We are learning how to solve real engineering problems. That is the power of CNC programming. Ready to turn your ideas into reality? Politeknik Banting Selangor, your engineering journey starts here.